processing and memory challenges, and I also have a fine motor skill deficit. What don't I like? Writing. I don't want to write. You know how hard it is for me to write? The first thing you can do to help that kid when they don't want to write is to validate it for them. Is to say to them, you know what? This is going to be hard. This is going to ask you to think of things, remember things, and also put them on paper, which I know can be hard. But I'm here for you, and I understand that. I have found that's when I've gotten the best bang for my buck with kids, when if I just validate it for them. And our little kids, we have to be really careful that we are not asking kids to do something that developmentally they can't do. 5-year-olds, when I go observe a kindergarten and people say to me, Polly, they can't sit. And I do a whole FBA, a functional behavioral assessment, and my assessment comes out with, well, here's the problem, folks. They're 5. They're 5. 5-year-olds are not wired to sit for 20 minutes at a time. Can't do it. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to like and subscribe so you never miss another video. I speak and consult on school behavior, and I love to help districts solve some of these problems. See you next time.